That was the end. I hope you did like. Maybe this could put you to sleep. So I'm going to bid you adieu, and I will talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and I want you to know that I'm thinking of you, and I have not forgotten that you all are here and supporting me. I so greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much it means to me. I wish I could talk to each and every one of you and give you a hug and tell you that I am so grateful and happy that you have found me and I have found you, and we can support and care for each other. You have a good night and a wonderful day. Seize it and live with intention. You are worthy, you are good, and you have the possibility to be great. Sleep well, relax, feel the calming sensation rush over your body. Do you feel it coming from the tips of your toes, moving up your feet? It's a very warm sensation. You feel it all the way in your heel. It's moving up your calf. Your muscles are relaxing. You relax each and every muscle. Your ankles, your feet have fallen to the side. Your ankles are heavy and your calves are tired. And all you feel like is pushing down, letting go, releasing tension. You feel your knees relax, and then it moves up to your thighs, and you feel your thighs sink down and get lower and lower, feeling the covers and the warmth envelop you. Then you move up to your pelvis, letting it sink back. You do not need to support yourself right now. You are able to relinquish that control. You move your pelvis down, letting it sink. Then you move up to your stomach and you feel the warmth. You let your ab muscles relax and your stomach relax. You do not need to hold it tight. You just need to sink down, letting the warmth envelop you, and your spine feels so tired. You relax your spine, you let it go, and your shoulders, your muscles in your back, they all relax. You feel so tired. You're closing your eyes. You're just drifting, and you feel the warmth go down your arms. Your biceps are so heavy. You let them fall, sinking down so far. Then your forearms relax and your fingers relax, slightly curling because you do not have to hold them straight. Relax. You can feel yourself drifting. It's going up your neck. You can sleep, calming. Let yourself sleep.